So hello there, fellow DIYers. I'm here at Home Depot, one of my favorite places, getting some things for a project I'm working on. But while I'm here, I'm looking into a future project, which is going to be in turning one of my spare bedrooms, or at least part of it, into a closet for additional storage. So I wanted to show you guys, anybody that's thinking about doing something like that, where to come, what to buy, and how inexpensive it can be. So I'm going to pan up so that you can see these racks here. These are wire shelving. They come in different lengths, so you'll kind of have to measure and see what you're doing. I'll get a little close-up so you can see some of the mounting hardware. But this is the type of shelving that you want to purchase if you want to add either shelving or put together your own closet, or if you have a spare bedroom where you want to turn that bedroom into a closet. This is the kind of stuff that you're going to need. Closet Mate, as you can see, that's who makes most of the products here. These are support brackets that come in different lengths. And let's see what else. Some of the hardware options. Again, that's another shot of the support brackets, end brackets. And over here, if, like me, you've moved into a house, although my house is a lot bigger than my former house, it still seems to lack a lot of storage. Here are some options I'll be adding in the future. This is a rack that will mount inside of a cabinet to give you some space for spices and other things like that. Here's another type of rack, and I'll show you the pricing. They're really not expensive. This rack is $7.98. I believe this one is $21.47. Below you'll see some vegetable bins that might help you. This is something I'm definitely going to purchase on another trip. This is a way to mount your trash can so that it can go inside of a closet, or cabinet rather, than taking up limited floor space if you have a small kitchen. Some other items. I love this one. I hadn't seen this one before. This is for arranging soda pop bottles, it looks like, beverage bottles, water bottles. That's $30. Here's one to help you store your iron and ironing board. That one's only $10. These are some over-the-door racks that you can use for your cleaning items. I like this little item here. This is a little closet organizer, and I believe this one you can use in your, looks like this one would go nice in your laundry room. That's $19. Here you go. Some other storage containers. There you go. This one's $23. Looks like this is a little more pricey at $50. But anyway, hopefully that gives you guys some ideas and some different ways that you can maximize limited storage. There you go. Okay, so I thought I was done with this video, the storage video, but I didn't see this section, which really helps you see how to put the storage unit together. Try to get a snapshot there, or at least a view of the box, so you can kind of see if you have a corner where you want to build some shelving, or if you have an existing closet that you kind of want to organize. This, it looks like, is a kit almost that you can buy. Well, maybe not a kit. You have to buy each piece, but this is what they look like when you put them together. So when I'm ready to start this, of course, you know, I'll videotape it and record it rather, so that you guys can see how they come together. This one says it's adjustable 5 to 8 feet. And no, I'm wrong. This is an actual, this is you get the whole organizer. So I think that's better than buying it piecemeal. Once you measure and see what you're working with. There's some pricing there. This one here is $139. This one is a little bit more, $159, and I guess because it fits spaces that are 7 to 10 feet. And let me see what else we got here. And here's some smaller, like this one says it's 4 foot. It's a smaller little unit that you can buy, but it looks like it is a kit that includes a shelf and a clothing bar. So if you have a smaller closet that you want to add some storage to, or an area, there you go. And I will certainly, like I said, when I'm ready to start this project, I will videotape it and record it and load it to YouTube so that you guys can see how it turns out. But again, this is Home Depot. There's another unit for $86. So if you need to add some storage, come into Home Depot and get yourself a closet organizer kit. It looks like they're pretty affordable. Actually, a lot less than I thought they were going to be. There's another section here which has shelving that, as you can see there, I'll zoom in on it. They're using that for shoes. So, okay. I think I'm actually done with this video now, and I'll get back to the project, or buying supplies for the project that I actually came in to buy supplies for. Alright, see you in the next video.